Today we're making Gochujang Mac Cheese, which you can do with 4 ingredients. This simple yet spicy cheesy dish is a twist on your regular mac and cheese. Start off by following the instructions on the back of your pasta package. I've used a half cup of Elbow Macaroni with 3 liters of water, but you can use whatever pasta you want to use, and just as long as you follow the instructions on the back, you should be fine. Remember to stir occasionally to cook the pasta evenly. Once your pasta is cooked the way you want it, drain it. So from here, this is the part that's a little different than usual. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt to get that creamy texture first. Now we'll add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and stir until the cheese is melted. So I've turned off the burner and we're just going to leave it here so the heat can still melt the cheese. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Gochujang Paste. If you like it a little spicy, I would suggest adding 2 tablespoons minimum. So I'm just going to speed things up a little here because you're just trying to evenly coat your pasta with the gochujang and with the cheese. Try it out and hope you'll enjoy it. You can stop here if you want to enjoy your gochujang mac and cheese. I decided to be a little bit extra here and added some more cheese. So here I have a half cup of shredded Havarti cheese, which I'm going to add onto the top of this dish. You can then put it into the microwave for another 30 seconds or in the oven, I don't know, maybe 350 degrees Fahrenheit for just a few minutes. You're only looking for the cheese to melt. Let's garnish with some green onions. After that, voila! Alright, let's eat! Here's the cheese pull. So good, so cheesy. So this is a really simple video today. Hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. You can always change this up and add in more gochujang paste or like different types of cheeses as long as it has that property of melting. Like and subscribe to the channel or comment for more similar content. Thanks guys!